Doja, why can't you be nice? It's too damn early. Doja. Noodle. Get out of there. Stop it. Oh, Poodle. Stop. Oh, my baby. Please, my baby.
This dog is bad.
He doesn't like when OC gets attention.
Oh, so great. So he lashes out violently.
Mm-hmm. He's like, I'll eat him. I'm gonna eat him, guys.
And you just act like that's okay.
OC's like 10 times bigger than him.
No, it's not. Ew.
Get out his ear. Stop. Don't be gross. I said don't be gross. Get out of here. He's gonna chew on his own foot now.
I actually gotta get shot of that.
You show your daddy chewing on your own foot. Good out of there. OC. Oh, God. Attacked by killer poodles. I'm laying on toys. Here, take your toy. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look.